There you go, folks. Told you what take long. But my battery is not gonna last long, so this is in Auburn, Alabama. It's pretty nice. The water ain't too cold. So it's a beautiful waterfall. And it's a warm day here in Alabama, Auburn, Alabama. You can screenshot if you want. And it's pretty cool waterfall. So it's pretty cool. We got people down there, over there. You come from that side, but it's pretty steep. Can't go on the rock. Coming down pretty good today, though. Just enjoying the sound. I'm not going to talk much. Going in. There you go. Connection going in and out. It's kind of bigger than the other waterfall I was at. It wasn't a bad hike. Not at all. Now, as I would came from that side, that's straight down. Came down from that way. Ain't too bad. You can share, invite more people. If you like to share it, share it. Enjoy the sounds of the waterfall. Thanks for joining in, everybody. The ones that are here. Let's see. I don't know if they'll let me invite anybody. I don't think it'll let me invite nobody. Thanks for joining, everybody. The 2 people that's in. It's at the waterfall here in Auburn, Alabama. It's at the, whatever, I can't pronounce it. It's a state park here in Auburn. Hope everybody's having a good day. All right, my phone about to die.